Today's hit list, gotta switch out a 2-inch ICV, a hunter valve here at the Gold's Gym. So I'm gonna turn off the water by the backflow. Do not see a isolation valve. I can be wrong. I do need to check though and see what we got. So let me go ahead and check that out real quick. Well, looks like it might be it right there. Bunch of trash. Oh, I need my gloves. Need my gloves. There we go. Knew something was wrong. If I had my blade, I would probably cut all these branches off, but I don't. So we're gonna do what we got to do with what we got to do. Does not look pretty. Oh, got a squirter. Just take the bleeder off. Yep, there's the pressure right there. Oh, careful, guys. Let that go and flush out a little bit. While we're waiting for that, we could take a look at this guy. This is how you take apart a 2-inch valve if you ever want a top seat. And you know that the valve, the body is fine, threads, there's not leaking from that point, then it's okay to top seat, you know, because you're just rebuilding, you're gonna charge the customer for a rebuild at this point, right? So right now we're just unscrewing everything, getting everything ready. Okay. Last screw over here. So that's how you take apart a 2-inch. Right, we got the spring diaphragm. Right, and then the ring usually on the bottom, but this one came out as a whole unit, so that's good. It's just the body itself. Should have brought the pump because I know once I start taking off, oh look, there it goes. See, came apart. Once I take apart these bad boys, water's gonna start flowing. Hopefully it doesn't flood the box. If it does, it will. If I'm fast enough, I should be able to get it. All those all the way off. Okay. some a little bit of debris. What is that, Teflon? A little bit of Teflon, nothing too crazy. It's draining down to the ladder already, so that's good. Let's rebuild it. And then this right here, you always want to make sure this is always back on. Yep. Make sure that's all the way in. This is gonna sit right where your solenoid holds at. Perfect. The spring. New springs on there already. That. There we go. Oh, you know what? I'm not gonna be able to use these small screws because if you notice, those are the longer ones. Right? Yeah, because that thing wasn't sitting on there. I mean, it sat down, you saw how it dropped, but the screws weren't long enough to catch. Make sure that doesn't go nowhere. Oh yeah, look at these. Big difference. Nope, didn't work. I'll take them all out by hand. Well, I'll try to fast forward this. If not, then y'all are gonna have to ride with me. Try to get all these bad boys out. Come on, get out of there. Wonder where Tucker's at. Oops. Okay, they're all out. Now one fell down there. Okay, so let's get this all back in there. All back in there. There. And then you, sir, you go right here. And then you, sir, you shall go like this. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me right now. Yeah. It's supposed to go like that. Like that. Should have just did that in the beginning, huh? know me, you know I like doing everything the right way. I mean, those small screws would have fit, but you would have had to push the valve down and force it to screw, when easily I could just, you know what I mean, put the nuts that go in there, and then look, see, no confusion, no nothing, simple. Takes a little longer, but it's done right. That's just me. Okay. New solenoid. Make sure it's not cross-threaded. Get that bad boy on the right. Open the flow. Turn off the water. Turn on the water. Trash. Oh, this damn trash. I have to get the maintenance guys to clean that up or something. It's not supposed to look like that. Try to get some water in there like that. Tucker was calling, but I'm a little busy. There we go. So right now I'm charging the main line. Close it. So you heard how the diaphragm opened? Should close right now. Perfect. No leaks, nothing wrong. That water is just because I opened the bleeder, but now we can start making repairs on the property.